When I start seeing counselors that used to be in prison and in drugs before, and I start seeing them how they start improving in their life, I go, if they could do it, I could do it. My name is Raymond. I'm a participant in the ACE sector housing. It's a beautiful thing, what they do here on the ACE sector, because they open up doors so that we could have a new opportunity in life. And ACE, they've been helping me with finances, clothing, hygiene. I'm getting ready to attend college so that I could get my certificate as a sub-counselor. They really pushed me here, really encouraging me to take that next step. This place right here really was the best for me. I'm not just helping myself, I'm helping others, as I go along. ACE sector really goes all of their way to really help us to continue to move forward in our lives. Before I came into ACE sector, I was all messed up on drugs, I was all messed up on alcohol, I was homeless. Right here, I have everything that I need. I never had this type of help before, when I was homeless. I hated myself. But when I see that the love that all these programs are put in for us, when I start seeing counselors that used to be in prison and in drugs before, and I start seeing them how they start improving in their life, I go, if they could do it, I could do it. Not only us, but they help the juveniles, the teenagers, the young adults. Without your help, we wouldn't be able to do this, because there's a community out here that really needs the help. This Giving Tuesday partnered with ACE by helping us reach our $5,000 goal by visiting aceforchange.org/donate. Thank you.